Bagao,
Yes, Biggie.
at the sound of the buzzer, you must tell Big Brother an interesting story using the housemates' names.
Story. Once upon a time.
Go and sit down.
So yesterday I was eating in a buka. One big brother was now telling me that Angel is the one that told Vandora and Princess that Nina loves to be with Miracle.
Yes.
And that Rico loves to cook. And that Gabriel loves alcohol like a madman.
Okay.
And if you've been watching the show, you will notice that Chloe loves to wear a nika around the house anytime she sees Leo.
Oh my God.
Then they also said that Sisi cannot dance one bit. And to buttress the point, Lulu said that all she does is put her hands on her legs and shake her bamba.
Oh my God.
I deserve some accolades.
Get out of here.
Bye bye.
Your mind bent.